Girl, I did not want to come to Ratchet Girl store today. I had the worst day.
Girl, what happened?
They called baby mom called me. Yes!
What she say, girl?
She said her baby needs some formula.
Her baby.
Her baby.
Mm.
You know what I told her?
What you say?
She can get this formula 2-piece.
Girl, man. At least we didn't get robbed today.
Girl, I know.
How y'all doing, fine gentlemen and girls?
Y'all looking safe today. What y'all masked up for like that? Let me see if we could.
Yes,
they masked
girl.
all the way up. Mask off. Mask off. What can we help y'all with at Ratchet Girl store today?
Give up that cheddar, and it'll all get better.
You heard him. Give us that cash. Wait, do you mind if I get a Twinkie real quick?
You want a pink? Go get that junk.
Yeah, we here to get money, right?
What you think we're here for?
To get money.
Oh!
Get that out my face, man. What's wrong with you? Ooh, my man's hot up in here.
Man.
Who's man? You.
Come on, Luana. You done said our names.
But you just said mine. You just blew the cover too. Oh my gosh,
Come on,
man.
please. Excuse me, ladies. You wouldn't happen to have any amber saw? What the? You know what? This is wrong stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get my amber saw from up. I know you Amber saw us robbing this store. What? No, sir. I didn't amber see anything. I didn't amber see anything. Matter of fact, sir, I'm legally blind. Matter of fact, where is everybody? Who's there? Who's there? Get over here. What? You? What? Get over there. Get.
Have no fear, ladies. Spider Bite Boy's here. And Super Daizy. And we're here to save the day.
Save the day? What am I talking about? Wait. We should go to a cotton party.
Chill. Just follow my lead.
I'm crazy.
Alright, robbers. Put the guns down and let these two ratchet girls go free.
Man, put your gun back up. What you doing, cuz?
Man, we ain't putting nothing down. You see these three glizzies? They go straight through you busy. The only thing that's gonna go down is you, fake superhero. Do you wanna get your bullet? Fake superhero?
Mortals, do you not know who I am? I'm Spider Bite Boy. I am invincible. I will catch your bullet with my 4 fingers. Mortals, do you not know who I am? I'm Spider Bite Boy. I am invincible. I will catch your bullet with my 4 fingers. Go ahead. Try it.
Did you say guns? No. I'm going outside.
Hey, man. He asked for it. Did you catch it? Did you catch it?
Of course I did. In my chest. But it feels like a bee sting. A million of them. In the same spot. And for some reason, I'm getting a little sleepy. Hey. One of you ratchet girls, call the ambulance. Cause this ain't the right type of sleep.